Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Brothers and sisters, once again, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? Like the video. Share and like the video. You see? Now I'm gonna have a little clippings here for sure from Ding Dang birth night party. Big up Ding Dang anyway there, you know, you. Cause you see we are different you too, you know. You see, I use the opportunity to say this about Ding Dang. See? Ding Dang are not stranger to badness or Badman affair and them sort of thing there. You see, easy with them, no disrespect to no man from now. Big up yourself in a Sparabens, anyway, them general. See? Yeah. You know, I'm is a fan. You have to be a fan from where you used to come from. You see, are you sing the Badman rule? I don't remember if I saw the song name, but a Badman rule, you know, see, say certain things you have to do when you're a step. See? Yeah, big up yourself. And them there come from true experience. Them there no imagination or assumption or somebody else's experience. See? So big up yourself, my general, anyway there. Big up yourself to Ding Dang. Happy birthday. Happy Earth Strong. You see? But you have a youth name, Iadonia, or whatever they want to call him, do a performance, a Ding Dang show the other day. We have a little clippings from that. And big up Queenie too, you know, Queenie from England. Queenie there on the show. There them can go YouTube it and see the full show. Yo, Queenie not stop, you know. Queenie not stop. You see that? You see it. And we don't know where we attribute that to, or you know what I say about boy Queenie not stop. You know see it. Anyway, we give thanks to life said way. You know see Queenie and do it. See? Yeah, and I'm gonna play a little clip for the item and then we run through yeah, so you don't know. Meet me back on the other side, you don't know.
From 2008, what the next? Watching Necklace Leaves, watching Necklace. We go, watching Necklace. Level, listen this. Cause from them this we don't want to know how. We stand for the content. We squeeze up the 5%. Another the Lord. Tell them say just start if they're passing the content. Level. Yo, me gon' be book and drop it again. Isa, the DJ Akashela before the come. Isa, yeah. DJ Akashela. That's an RIP to my bad charge. Poppy Mason, Simon C. That's an RIP to Pigsty. All of who have a friend when dead when they miss. More see all our signal them. Cause they stand up in the rain and me a tell you this. Pussy them murder my friend. Me now stop till every bomb buckler body dead back. One bomb buckler advance. We say, Badman salute! Pick up. Pick up the noise, pick up the lower out here down now here. Tune it. Ding Dang party! But this day is to return it to couldn't.
Yeah. No. Them like a DJ youth here. Where rich. Seen? Rich. Can bury. The ghetto youth them when them a kill off. And I buy gun and shot for. With their hard earned money. See, before we even go there, so more say to Ding Dang. Not Ding Dang. Come on, Ding Dang. When you do your thing and you have them youth, you come on stage, come behave them with a grab with the mic and tell them, don't do it, man. I want to know, man, bigger than your ding dang. Eh? And you know, say the man a bad man and you make them come stain up your thing them way. They say you not do that. You not do nothing like that, Rasta. You know for your poor them thing that you have to run with them youth publicly, man. We not have no space and no time in that for Jamaica right here, no Rasta. Enough of the man them never step, yes. Enough of the man them never have to step. You see, like I said earlier, you know the badness and you know the whole thing and you never get drawn out or get yourself involved in that. You see it, you develop your career until you devil spot, you're the Rasta. You see, and you know the reward. You know the reward, the wages of sin is dead, Rasta. Early grave for the youth, them, 21-year-old and them go thing there. You see it, and when you see some big man with them money in them pocket to come do some things in your promotion where you not encourage, not embrace. Rasta, if you just shut them down, man, and shame some boy, Rasta, because a boy can't. No boy can box ding dang in a dance, outside a dance or nothing. I tell you that, I promise you that. Yeah. So you don't know. Represent your standard and uphold it, Rasta. You see it? You see it? No disrespect, Aya. Yeah, listen to some DJ go up on stage nowadays and a bare badness as one DJ done and another one take the mic at the same level of wickedness. Bare wickedness the DJ them a preach. You got dance nowadays. Your ears stain, your ears hurt you with wickedness. No man now look on it and say, but wait, I them start the lyrics to the man there before me. Every man want to come better than the next man, the man before him. And all them little nastiness there. You know see it? No Rasta. No move your bumbo clot. Iadonia, you're a bad man. Iadonia, your father a civil servant. I think your father a police or a soldier. Your mother, I think your mother a teacher or a nurse. Me not sure. Me no want to be sure. At two, your parents have a civil servant, Rasta. You ever bleach a night yet? Bumper hole with a gun? You ever bleach man a corner yet because people are threatening your community? Are not like that? No. You don't understand the reality where ghetto youth out there live, Rasta. You come on stage and I embrace and I endorse them thing there. I hope, I hope your father, colleague them, your parents them, colleague, because I remember the civil servants are colleague of the civil servant, police, teacher, doctor, nurse, and all of them, Rasta. I hope you make your father proud. I hope that matter of fact, how proud you wake up this morning thinking your mother and father feel when you're up on stage and make speeches like them there. You know, see, your friend dead. And everybody will do it and go dead off. I hope the police never watch your bumbo clock because you call all your friend name. You know, see, as far as I'm concerned, you implicate yourself in a whole heap of criminality there. So now you are threatening the life of the perpetrator them to your friend. You know, see, threat to life. You see, certain place, just the threat alone is a charge, And in England, the threat to life charge after a conviction, might as well you do the crime, Rasta. You see, might as well he did do the crime. It's them level of, mishandling your justice. The Justice Department down here go on with why them seems complicit in them orchestration of the demise of poor ghetto youth. Because they are telling me, know you not take up no gun and go shoot nobody for your friend, Bumbo wall. A ghetto youth, you go bribe with box food money, Figure do your bidding for you, Rasta. You know, see it? Claiming say people kill your friend. Oh, you know, see it? Nah, you call all the man name. If you don't mind sharp Rasta. The man there a good a stepper too. A good a bad man. You know, see it? And here you come now. I endorse the disaster and the destruction where you go through Rasta with the rum back up on stage. I talk about you go get rid of all of them, make we say it mildly. You go get rid of everybody who responsible for your friend thing. Rasta, for you use your friend thing and make sleep mark death. You see, at this you go up on stage, I wonder if all the perpetrator them are watch you, How vulnerable is you? You're a businessman. You're not bad man. Bad man, you're bumbo clot. And when you go put on your mic and pick up a gun, do it. You know bumbo clot do it. You come with your fuckery. Mr. Ding Dang shall take the mic from you and lick you with it across your face and run you off and think and Magnum there they endorse him and promote same thing. You're going there with crime and violence. Criminality, you're going there and promote. Someone don't deserve the blessing we want to get, Rasta. Because you not use it for destruction. You not use it for further destroy the fragile communities where the youth them living at. The hopelessness where the youth them are face. We push them certain way, Rasta. We go there with a little simple mercies as a reward for the youth them. And I inveigle them for doing a sick, twisted bidding, Rasta. And you know, gross up. You know, see it. You don't have no reason for you to embrace the sort of sitting here now. The side of the playing field where you come from, you should be the one for you say, encourage the youth them different because you know better. You know say there is life. You know say there is life outside of where the youth them are going with. And that a youth like you should occupy the space and I embrace Rasta. You know see it. We not appreciate of that. A big idiot, dirty boy thing you keep up. You go up on stage, go keep up. You know say, and you're not bad man. Be at some boy when I understand the life, when I understand the liberty. I cause them thing in a rasta, some boy where get rich and then go and buy dance ship with a hard earn money. I know this now, one of them this now people. Or one of them this. You know see it? And a big disrespect that to the ghetto youth. You know see, ghetto youth I look for a way out. That's why I don't do them thing. I will preach that every day and try, you know. Make people realize that and understand that and here you come now with your fuckery. You know say, because that's all it is. Fuckery. You're a fake bad man. A bad man blood clot name. If people listen to the song them when you sing right down to the time when you preach all of that. And how long you sing them. You know how much influence you give your friend figure dead? Your song them incentivize him for go blood clot dead Rasta. And here you come with your, you know see it. The people them who are listening to them house monks them pick them, I beg no pardon in a Rasta. But them thing get a cross. You know see, because a boy and a bad man. And a bad man that. And he can't be bad man, not gonna be bad man, no time. Government for holding and can't go lock on and make you feel some of the suffering on and put poor people pick the throat. You know see, big idiot thing that. Your boy will go in a school, you have your parents and prepare your breakfast for your lunch and your dinner right through time. Most of the youth them where you influence right here no Rasta, no have that the privilege they no expect them no know of such a blood clot life. You know see? And here you come a wicked scavenger, a vampire. We are benefit off of the blood of the youth them. We are influence them with the nasty idiot song them. You know see it? One way you can blood clotting can be a bad man tune. Who for dead, who for this, who for that and all them sort of thing there. You don't write nothing constructive. You don't write nothing with hopes. You don't write nothing with influence the youth them in a good, you know, positive way. Rasta, I hear that thing that. Go away with you and I trick people about you're going to do this and you're going to do that. You not do nothing. You know see it? I'm say, and you make me glad to silk basket box down. Them abuse him, you know. A long time them think they're going, you know. And a man never used to video them and things like that. But Rasta, it come like, you know, it's the way now, Rasta. It's the way. It's the way, Rasta. You know, see it? Man for all you and box you. Man them for all you and box you up. Because you're not bad man and any garrison can do that, Rasta. You know, see it? Any man from any garrison can do that and you have to hold that and keep quiet with that. You know, see it? Down and still that tell ghetto you tell. How kind of practice that? Who is you? What kind of experience you have in the trade? You spend all that day in a jail to blood clot, you could have ball. You could have just ball naturally. Based on where you see around you. Not the confinement, you know. The suffering where you see around you where you never experienced before. You could have cried. Cry for the youth them where you see in the Rasta. Knowing where you come from and knowing how much you contribute to them youth, the destruction. You know, see? Yeah, man. We don't encourage jail and lockdown and certain reward for ghetto youth, you know. But you are not ghetto youth. You are not one of them, Rasta. You deserve it. You know, see, you're uptown, bumbleclad boy. And I come call out, get a youth, I come talk about who fi dead from who not dead. I be them dirty song that you sing. And here you come here now, that means the plan. I have to scrape up some money and go buy some youth now to get us some box food for do. Salve your earth and satisfy your need, your desire for blood. You fucking vampire, you. You know, see, a man shall lick you with a buckle in your blood clot face. Make you move off of the stage. You know, see, what kind of fake badness them here? How them boy here? How the feeling on yourself? How, Rasta, it means something what me know impossible what me can't do. Me shame in myself. Me feel as that, yeah. How you feel, Rasta, you walk off a stage like you're bad, like you're gonna do this. Hey, you say have someone on Rasta. You nah do nothing. The man them pan the corner for just wait till you come and give a gun in your blood clot and while them have one in the nether and say, see the boy there. I don't understand them come from. Where I deal it? You know see it? I make you see where your blood clot deal it. See if you that step go down there. See if you that get yourself involved in that. You not get yourself involved in them thing the Rasta. A people pick their life you plan for go sacrifice. Poor people pick their life too. Because you can't cheat no middle class youth and a rich youth uptown where you come from. If you go do that. You know see it? You can't do that. No, I laugh the man when I laugh if they and run, you probably send you in prison too. You know say it? Can I eat that thing that? Can I eat your parents, them a civil servant? Both of them. Them not grow in a little simple way. Like, you know see it? Your poverty never wicked like ghetto youth one. No dear. You know see it? No dear. And like me say, boy like you never have to bleach a night yet looking out for the community. A boy like you never have to go now we go start or impress nobody. Forget nothing so that you can come back, come deliver for the ghetto people them where they on the block. No! A DJ, you go DJ straight. You're educated boy we could have do anything and you choose to DJ. And at this you bring to ghetto people, the police them for all and charge of inciting violence, Rasta. That is incitement. That is a charge there for your blood clot. If the guy themselves never corrupt and undependable Rasta, this man in a handcuff, in a cell, without bail until court day, Rasta. You know, see, because you have flight risk. You have flight risk too, you will run away. So we take away your blood clot passport and document them and deny your bail. You know, see, that them suffering there. Uno for going out, uno for be an example, Rasta. And the authorities for use you as an example. If you know one volunteer and be an example to the change, Rasta, can I fuck with that? Who is you? You're bumbleclad Badman. You're Badman. Rasta, you're Badman. Who you Badman for? Hear your rhetoric. Hear your encouragement to get a people you. Look how bad things are get at Jamaica. When things get worse, how it benefit you and your career. Where you run we go? Where the bumbleclad you run we go? Reggae music. Hey, not telling a lie, man. I lick you with a gun in your face myself. Not telling a lie. I just don't have the opportunity, nor the intent or the propensity to do that. But, you know, under the circumstance, as I get to you, I'm dead and here you go on, so Rasta. No, I just lick you. You know, see? Boop in your blood clot face. Cause you know, oh, if you come do that. Or if you come do that. You not do that for yourself. Things where you can't do for yourself, Rasta, you're not supposed to ask of no one. Why you can't do it? Why you not do it for your boy but all I know did that? Yeah, you're gonna go do nothing, Rasta. We know. Other poor youth on the corner, you go buy gun and shotgun. Your hard working money, you can use buy danship. While if you open up business where you can employ them youth, you're in a Rasta. You have a studio yet? You own a studio? Maybe you have a little shed or something like that. You have nothing established where get a youth can come try out them craft, come see if them can DJ too, or anything like that. Nothing like that you not have. Here where you have the intention there. A fool in the take get up people for Jamaica, fool in the take the whole Jamaica for Rasta. You know see, people them for turn them back pound and start insulting them and disrespect on a Rasta. Mothers and fathers, right on the back of a little girl, taking the life of another girl in a schoolyard. And no say RIP towards that. You no compensate a bar for more blood. Dirty boy. And you're not bad man. You're not bad man. Move your bumbleclot and go. Go. Satan, you fucking devil. Your mama supposed to shame. Your papa, she is a disgrace to them. You don't see it? He's a disgrace. He's a liar. He's a charlatan. You don't see it? You're the influence. Ghetto youth. You sing after the experience or after ghetto youth suffering. All of them Badman the way you sang, the way you sing. It's not your experience. Never, never a day in your life, Rasta. And I bear them sort of destruction that you sing. And you get rich off of it. And I use the proceeds of the fucking depraved lyrics them. And I influence them. It's somehow no benefit off of the bumbuckler ignorance. Because if the ignorance now go on and have nothing to sing about. You know see it? You can't construct a lick you forget for that. Lick you forget for that. You know see it? Lick you forget with buckle for that. You know see it? Yeah. The man them where I talk about, the same man them where I go use, if you go check them and bring your money, go check them and the man them stick it for you and beat you up and film it too. Film it. Because I could have you responsible for all your friend dead. I could have your thing him could have buy out. And people end up kill him. You know see it? You know see it? And here you come again. Prepare for more dead. You know miss your friend. You know miss your bumbuckler friend. You know miss your friend. Because the earth where you feel, you don't want nobody else feel that. Much less we got jeopardize more of him friend them now with box food and send them go blood clot dead too. Because what's the possibility say them all just go and come back and go mash up, destroy everything where you claim say a destruction and come back unscathed, eh? How do you get them thing there from? How do you get them principle from, eh? How you balance that, Rasta? How you balance them logics there? Dirty boy, eh? Oh, you balance them logic. You're a bumbuckler Badman. You're a Badman, Rasta. Which part of you a Badman? You can't organize a step. You can't tell the youth them say, all right, do this. When you reach this, so do that. That. See? Do this when you can't tell nobody nothing. You just give the youth them gun and shot and money and send them go dead. You can't give them no advice how to protect themselves militancy. Go out there and come back in safely. You can't bumbuckler do that. Here you talk about your people, everybody, all of the mad of them now, you know. You see the mad of them where feed them picnic in the crew where you plan to go deal with them with. All of them are fret right here now when they made a speech, you know. Every woman belly drop because them know say you come jeopardize them picnic life. And them can't say nothing about it. Or you feel pussy hole. How you feel, Jankro? How you feel? How you feel this morning? Eh? Big head bumbuckler. You know see, kind of disappointed in a ding dong, because ding dong a bad man for ding dong for grabbing the mic and tell you come off of the stage and go with that. Straight. Because him himself no deal with them. You know you ding dong and sing them. Chano. I want the only man where you can listen to and you know hear the same thing them when the rest of DJ them a sing. Ding dong. You know see? I hear you up there. You don't even have one song where you talk about peace or reality or culture or advice how people feel, how the youth them can step up to your level or reach, make a, no hope. No in your song. The only hope is to kill off the youth them before them reach 21. You know see it? You're a dirty man. If you go bumbuckler, see companies about the vlogger them this and the vlogger them that. Go you dirty rascal you. Actually, they even know. The man forget buckling on a bumbuckler head, man. You come talk things like you're a bad man. Yeah. Yeah. Careful on our blood clot Senex, you know. Careful on our Senex, you know.